Hi, my name is Edison Soriano. I am 30 years old. I like to play video games. I live in Bogota. I traveled to San Andres. I live with my wife. I study industrial engineering. I plan to go Cartagena in January. My hobbies are watching series and movies, playing video games, and traveling. My recipe is rice pudding. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cups of milk, 1 middle cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of milk cream, 3 towels of raisins. To start with, mix the water, cinnamon stick, and rice in a saucepan. Overload heat for 15 minutes until most of the liquid is absorbed. Second, add the milk and stir constantly with a spoon. Third, add the condensed milk and continue stirring until the rice softens and takes on a creamy consistency. After that, mix the milk cream and cook well with stopping and stirring for 4 more minutes. Afterwards, add the rice and start to ingredient everything. Turn off the heat and remove the pot. At the end, fill the individual molds with the mixture.